Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm just bringing this clothes drying rack to you today to let you know how important it is for having somewhere you can dry your clothes, especially on a terrible rainy day like what we're having today in London, UK. This rack is from IKEA, the Frost. Where did I get the rock from? Anyway, it's called the Frost and it's from IKEA and it costs £10 in the UK. This is the most amazing rack I have ever come across since I've been using clothing racks to dry clothes on. It is amazing. It's got so much room and space on it. It's lovely. Now Mondays are my wash days and it's been pouring down with rain, so obviously I can't put any clothes outside in the garden. It's amazing. It drops down like that and the other side drops down the same. This middle piece lifts up and then it's all collapsible and it closes flat so that you can just push it between your wardrobe, your fridge, freezer, behind the door, anywhere. You could just slide it through. It's an amazing piece of household tool. It's quite essential for me as well because, as I said, on a rainy day when you can't hang clothes out, it is so nice to have this that you could just put your clothes to dry. Now I've put this set of bed linen on just to show you how it fits. I've got 6 pillowcases on here so far and this is the king size duvet cover, and you just fold it in half and put it over the rack and there you have it. And there is so much more space. If you can have a look, I'm just moving the camera down. If you can just have a look under there where there's so much more space to hang clothes out on. It's amazing. I really love it. And I've had it now for about 2.5 years and it has been no trouble whatsoever. I've hung all the jeans on it, and the problem with the other racks that I found that I had previously, when you hung too much heavy stuff on it, they just collapsed, and that was happening to me over the years. And every so often I'd have to buy a new rack. But this one, goodness me, it's amazing. Look at all that space you have there. Absolutely amazing. I love it. And if this ever broke on me, I'm going to buy another one. As I said, I've had it for over 2.5 years, almost 3 years, and it's not let me down. I just really wanted to bring this on to show you how lovely it is to have in the house. And as I said, this is a king size duvet set with 6 pillowcases and the duvet, and I'm washing the fitted sheet separate because it's a different colour, so it's a lighter colour, so I like to wash my darks together, you know, my whites together and my coloureds together, just depending what colours they are. I always separate my wash, so you'll get no running of clothes with me. I wash very careful. Yeah, so that's it really. Love it. If you haven't got one, it is so handy to have, especially winter time as well. That's more important. That you have your rack that you can hang all your clothes on. I love it. Anyway, I'm not going to keep you. I just thought I'd bring this one on to show you. It's amazing. It's called the Frost, and I will link it below this video. Anyway, many thanks for stopping by. If you did like this video, please give it a thumbs up, and also subscribe to my channel to see, you know, handy stuff like this, arts and crafts, DIYs, and little bits and pieces of everything. So subscribe please, and hit the bell in order to be notified when I upload new videos. Take care of your good selves. Have a lovely Monday. Bye for now. Bye bye.